Alright guys, so we promised you to pick back up on the Ram's Head Railroad spike. You just saw me clear the snow off the patio here so I can forge a little. I'm struggling to get the fire going. Finally starting to take off. Yeah, so we're going to get it finished. I'm prepping it right now to get the piece forge welded in. So we're going to get the high carbon edge forge welded in. And we're going to go back to working on the Ram's Head. Get it 80-90% of the way done, and then hammer out the final blade shape. Hopefully we get this done today. Well, ready for grind. So stick around for the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, so I gotta be careful touching things to the anvil when I'm ready to, because it's gonna suck the heat out of this thin stuff for a while. First thing we need to do though is bend that down so that it gets a little closer to matching the profile here. And we're already cold. That's going to be a problem today. And I probably want to avoid doing that today too. That's not going to be good for the steel. Getting closer. Getting closer. There's 2 hammer strikes I wish I could take back. Okay, so I think that's pretty close. I'm going to go ahead and bevel this in a little just with a grinder so that it slides inside this groove I made. Then I'll get it cleaned up and be ready to weld. So I'll bring you back when we're ready for that. Alright guys, there it is. All welded up. It's ugly, but that's how I'm going to forge weld it. So I got a weird thing going on here I'll have to address later. I don't know, I'll probably end up cutting it off something, but it's welded. It's ugly. Into the fire. So one important thing while I'm doing this is I want to get the whole thing to the temperature I want. I'm really not welding anything on the surface in this case. I'm welding it deep inside. So I got to make sure that the inside's as hot as the outside. Once again, here I am very close. Take it, we're going to try it. Oh yeah, the end is there. Alright, more heat. But I think I felt pretty good about up in here, so rinse, wash, and repeat. Alright guys, so still just trying to get all this welded up. I think I'm slowly getting there. I've still got a crack in it, but I don't have my pointer on me. Ain't that handy. So I got a little crack here, so I'm crack, weld, crack, weld, and then the backside kind of matches. So I'm just fighting it up with a few more welding heats. I really need to get that one closed now. Anyways, I'm just going to keep fighting it. I'll bring you in and out when I'm fighting it. I'm about to get pretty dang thin, so actually, I'll tell you what. I'm going to grind it clean, do a real weld, because I think I'm good in the middle. I think I'm just kind of not quite getting the surface, maybe. I don't know. So I'm going to grind it clean, get another real weld on it, then come back and try to forge weld one more time, and then work in my shape. And if it cracks, well, we'll just rinse, wash, and repeat. So here we go. Well, guys, I hate to disappoint you, but I think this video series is complete and a failure. So I've just been fighting this crack, and I cannot get it to forge weld. I've got bits and pieces forge welded, but not the whole thing. I've burnt a few pieces trying, and now I've developed a split in the steel this way that has nothing to do with my forge welding, just from flat being burnt too many times trying to weld it. So this piece is a complete failure. I don't see any cause in even finishing it out. So this is going to go on the back burner until I either get better or start again and try a whole new one. Going into this, I knew it was a chance, because it's a lot of things I've never done before. Ram's head wasn't turning out great. I mean, I probably could have salvaged it, but this forge weld was the big if, and it's failed. So still learning, got a long ways to go. We're going to keep trying. Maybe we'll get back to this one day when I've got better forge welding skills. Catch you guys on the next one. If you want to, leave a comment. If you know what I did wrong, feel free to leave a comment and tell me what I did wrong. Catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.